Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. In today's video, we will discuss about Scrum of Scrums meeting, what it is all about, how to conduct it, what are the best practices around this particular meeting. So we will discuss that in this brief video. So let's start. So the first thing is what is Scrum of Scrums? So Scrum of Scrums is also called Meta Scrum or SOS simply. So it's a ceremony, it's a meeting which is conducted among Scrum team's representatives to identify, disclose progress, any issues or blockers, any team level dependency which one team may have on another team, integration touchpoints which one team wants to discuss with the other teams they have dependencies around. And this meeting is all about to ensure synchronization for a common product goal. Second point is this meeting is useful. It is required where we have multiple Scrum teams working on the same product line. So if there is a single Scrum team working on an Agile project, this meeting is not required. This meeting is probably required for the coordination among various Scrum teams working on the same product goal. So that's the whole purpose of Scrum of Scrums meeting, just to uh, synchronize the work among Scrum teams, and this is the forum where team members can come and they can discuss any blockers, any issues, any dependencies around any integration points they want to discuss with the other team members. Now, this is just a pictorial representation of SOS meeting, where it is required in what scenario. So here in this example, we have 4 Scrum teams, team A, B, C, and D. Now, when we decide that we need to have an SOS meeting, Scrum of Scrums meeting, each team will send one of its member, and then those selective member will discuss about the team's work progress, any impediments, blockers, any dependencies on any integration points they want to discuss with the other team members. So this is how in an ongoing fashion the teams synchronize their work, keep other teams updated about their progress and issues they are facing, so that our teams are ensuring that they are not putting anything as a blocker in other teams way. Now, how to conduct the SOS meeting? So first thing is the frequency. So this meeting can be conducted daily, twice in a week, or a weekly manner as per project or program requirements. So there is no as such from a Scrum process perspective, from an Agile perspective, there is no as a hard and fast rule that this meeting needs to be conducted in a daily manner. So this all depends upon the project and program requirements. I have seen, I mean, I've been part of the project where we used to have twice in a week. So this all depends upon your project and program requirement. Now, who attends it? So like I said, this meeting is required to coordinate the work among various Scrum teams. So each Scrum team will send one of its member or representative to this forum. Now, what's the agenda? What it is, which we wants to discuss in this meeting? So each team member will discuss below information in this meeting. He will discuss, what's the progress their team has made since the last conducted SOS meeting. What is the current work team is doing in the ongoing sprint? Any dependencies, blockers, impediments at a team level. So this is what what the agenda is in the SOS forum. Now let's talk about the best practices for the SOS meeting. So the first thing is agenda and format for this meeting should be clear to all the Scrum teams. So the each team must know, okay, if they are attending the SOS meeting, what's the agenda is all about. What is it they want to disclose in the SOS forum. So Scrum Master and coach, I mean, they should guide the teams. Team should send different team member in SOS meeting to avoid dependency on any one specific member. So it's not like we have designated one person who will attend the SOS meeting, and every time that member is attending the SOS meeting. So we need to avoid the dependency, and we need to kind of encourage our team, because as Agile is all about self-organized, self-managed team, and at the same time we want to ensure that each team member is aware of team's progress. Third point is teams should be transparent to disclose dependencies so that this forum can be used in an effective manner. So that transparency is pretty much important. If team A or whatever team, they do not want to disclose the issues, then this forum will not serve its purpose. So the important thing is we bring to this forum necessary issues which other team might be able to help. Frequency of this meeting, like I have already mentioned, like whether we want to conduct on a daily basis, bi-weekly or a weekly basis, they should be fixed and it should be inspected by teams for any further changes. So if the team feels okay, let's say they started in a weekly manner, but they feel okay, it should be conducted in a daily fashion, then everyone should, kind of introspect and should try to make the changes accordingly. This meeting should not be used as a program level status meeting. So this is pretty much required that, this is not like a status meeting where each team member is coming and then, they are reporting what their team is working on. So this forum for the SOS should not be used as a status meeting or a reporting purpose. So I hope you like this brief video on the SOS meeting, Scrum of Scrums, and thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.